We use our kitchens more of a hub now, as opposed to it's just a place where you just eat and cook. It's now a place where we socialise, play board games. We need a place to plug our phones in and plug our iPads in, all those kind of places.
The traditional sense of kitchens and other rooms is really starting to blur. Spaces are getting smaller, so you need to utilise space in a slightly different way.
Back in the day, the trend was about the theatre of cooking in a kitchen. I think that's sort of moved on a bit more to being more about comfort and being more about a family time together, rather than being some great big, impressive display of your culinary abilities.
We're seeing much more in the way of multi-generational living in the home, and so that's necessitated a different approach to what the space is used for. It has to be more versatile, more flexible.
You've not just got adults in the kitchen, you've got children there as well, and you might also need accessibility. So having different maybe rise and lower worktops, having different solutions for storage, enabling us to really allow our children and our older generations to be able to use the same space.
People are living differently in their homes now. I think that opens up a lot of opportunities for design for installers. So it's an area that suppliers, distributors and manufacturers in particular really need to lock onto. How do you give installers that are traditionally not involved in design, how do you give them the power to design?
It can be a struggle for retailers when people talk to us about having some kind of social space in their kitchens, because not everybody has a huge kitchen. Okay, the average size of a UK kitchen is kind of 3 by 3.5. That's a decent size, and it's difficult to get social spaces into there. So that's the challenge for us designers and retailers, to get those social spaces into small spaces.
We have to think about how we can make the best use of space, and that's removing maybe a lot of the stuff from the countertops and introducing them into products that do multiple jobs, whether we've got a steam combination oven that could replace your tabletop slow cooker or your microwave. But it's also having appliances that suit people that are working from home, and have we got dishwashers that are super silent so that you can be taking a call from the kitchen, but you can also then be doing your household chores in the background.